Building a house is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts to make sure it all comes together properly. In construction, those ingredients are our building materials. Choosing the right ones can be the difference between a structurally sound building that lasts for generations and a disaster waiting to happen. Understanding construction materials means knowing their strengths, weaknesses, and how they interact with each other. It's about making informed decisions that prioritize safety, durability, and efficiency. Whether you're a homeowner embarking on a renovation or just interested in how buildings stand the test of time, understanding these materials is key. Take cement, for example. It's not just a powder, it's a binder that reacts with water to form the rock-solid foundation of countless structures. And then there's wood, a natural material that's been used for millennia due to its strength, versatility, and sustainability. Every material has its own story to tell, its own unique properties that make it suitable for specific applications. Let's dive in and explore these materials, uncovering what makes them essential to the world of construction. Cement is the unsung hero of construction, often hidden beneath layers of other materials. Don't let its humble appearance fool you, though. This fine powder, when mixed with water, aggregates and often admixtures transforms into concrete. This incredible material forms the foundations, walls and floors of countless buildings. The most common type of cement is Portland cement, made by heating limestone and clay in a kiln. This process creates a fine powder that, when mixed with water, undergoes a chemical reaction called hydration. Hydration is what gives concrete its strength and durability over time. Cement isn't a one-size-fits-all material. Different types of cement are engineered for specific applications. For instance, there's fast-setting cement for projects that need to cure quickly, and sulfate-resisting cement for structures exposed to harsh chemicals. While cement is the glue, sand and aggregates are the heart of concrete. Sand, with its fine particles, fills in the gaps between larger aggregate pieces, creating a denser and more solid mixture. Aggregates, which include materials like crushed stone, gravel, and recycled concrete, provide the bulk and strength of the concrete. The type of sand and aggregate used directly impacts the concrete's properties. For example, using angular aggregates as opposed to rounded ones increases the concrete's strength because they interlock better. Similarly, the cleanliness of the sand is crucial, as impurities can weaken the bond with the cement. Understanding the importance of the correct sand-to-aggregate ratio is essential. Too much sand can lead to weak concrete, while too much aggregate can make it difficult to work with and prone to cracking. Getting this balance right is crucial for ensuring the final concrete product meets the required strength and durability standards. Section 4. Steel, the backbone of modern construction. Steel, an alloy of iron and carbon, is known for its incredible strength and versatility. In construction, steel is the backbone of skyscrapers, bridges, and countless other structures. Its ability to withstand immense pressure and tension makes it an indispensable material in modern architecture and engineering. There are various types of steel used in construction, each with its own unique properties. Structural steel, often seen in I-beams and columns, provides exceptional load-bearing capacity. Reinforcing steel, commonly known as rebar, is used to strengthen concrete, preventing cracking and increasing its tensile strength. The manufacturing process of steel involves melting iron ore at extremely high temperatures and then adding carbon and other elements to achieve the desired properties. The molten steel is then cast into various shapes and sizes, ready for fabrication and use in construction. Section 5. Sustainability in construction, building a greener future. The construction industry is a major consumer of resources, but it's also making significant strides towards sustainability. This involves using eco-friendly materials, reducing waste, and adopting energy-efficient practices throughout a building's life cycle. One of the most promising developments is the use of recycled and reclaimed materials. For example, recycled concrete can be crushed and used as aggregate in new concrete mixes, reducing the need for virgin materials. Similarly, reclaimed wood from old buildings can be salvaged and incorporated into new structures, adding character and reducing deforestation. Another important aspect of sustainable construction is choosing materials with low embodied energy. Embodied energy refers to the total energy consumed during the entire life cycle of a material, from extraction and manufacturing to transportation and disposal. Opting for locally sourced materials can significantly reduce transportation-related energy consumption. The push for greener construction isn't just about environmental responsibility, it's also about creating healthier and more efficient buildings. By embracing sustainable practices, the construction industry can pave the way for a more sustainable and resilient future.